friends, my name is Shalima. Welcome back to this channel. Friends, today I have brought something new for you. Friends, today I'll talk about body language. Yes, friends, what is body language? First of all, let us understand what is body language. Friends, body language is a type of non-verbal communication. It is a combination of gestures, postures, and movements. Yes, friends. And it shows your confidence level while you are speaking, while you are talking with the person in front of you. So, there are some positive effects also about your body language, and there are some negative ones also. So in this video I'll talk about something negative, some negativity of your body language which you can remove from your side and you can adopt something positive. So let's begin the video, friends. Our first one is arm crossed over the chest. Friends, arm crossed over the chest means if you're standing like this and if you're talking or if you're listening to someone, that indicates that you are a defensive person. Means आप एक defensive person है, you are not accepting what the others are saying. What the person to whom you are talking, you are not getting their opinions, you are not accepting their opinions of that particular person to whom you are talking. So friends, don't adopt this. You can remove this from your habit whenever you are standing like this or sitting like this. Don't do it. Stand like in a proper manner. Don't stand or sit like this while you are listening to someone, while you are just speaking to someone. It shows your negativity. So please don't do this. Friends, our second one is nail biting. Yes, friends. Sometimes it's our habit to do the nail biting, but it shows your negativity. It shows your nervousness. Yes, friends. Exactly, it shows your nervousness. Once you are going for an interview or you are talking with your boss and you are just doing nail biting, so it shows your nervousness. The person to whom you are talking, to whom you are speaking, if that person is watching you, that's ultimately knows that that person is nervous. So please don't do this while you are going for an interview, while you are talking to your boss, while wherever you are going to talk with some other person. Don't do this in front of that person to whom you are talking. Friends, our third one is hand placed on the cheek. Means if you are sitting like this or like that, so it shows you are lost in some deep thought, or it shows that you are concentrating on someone's to whom you are listening. So friends, it's indicate two things. If you are sitting like this, it indicates while maybe you are lost in some deep thought, or maybe you are concentrating on someone. So I cannot say you remove this, but according to the situation you can use this. But friends, unnecessary, if you are sitting like this, please don't do this. If you are sitting in a meeting, if you are sitting in a meeting hall, if you are sitting in a conference, please don't sit like that. Friends, our next one is, which is fourth one, is touching your nose. Friends, touching your nose means like this. If somebody is talking to you and you are just listening and you are not replying, that means you are untruthful to that person is talking to you, or the person will reject you, or the person is not listening to you. It shows this. So please don't do this if you are talking to someone, and if you are doing like this, it shows the negativity. The last one is head in hands, like this or like this. If you're sitting like this, so it shows the negativity also, friends. So my request is that, friends, don't do these things while you are sitting in a meeting, while you are sitting in a conference, or while you are talking some authority person. Please don't do this. It shows the negativity of your body language. Adapt the positive body language while you are talking, while you're saying something, while you're on a stage. So please accept the positivity only and remove your negativity inside yourself. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So friends, we'll meet in next video with some other topic. Take care and bye bye.